Holy moly, look at this precision. This truck is really a great addition to my man cave. It looks fantastic. And both trucks looks so good. And their color kind of match each other. And this is a little bit more brighter yellow. This is a little bit like grayish yellow. So different shades of yellow, but they all look very good. Both are 1/10 scale trucks, so the sizes are very comparable. The roof lines are almost the same, and maybe the Discovery is slightly slower. But let's take a look at the bumper, man. And the FJ's bumpers stick out more. Let's take a look at from this angle. And I think the Discovery may have a better approach angle. Let's take a look here. Look at that. That approach angle should be pretty good. FJ should have a pretty decent approach angle too. I think I often got caught on the bumper if things you're trying to climb is too high. Let's look at the tires and wheels, and I think they're the same size, same width, and same height. Just different designs. I really like the matching color on those Land Rovers. The suspension travel on those front wheels are pretty large, right? And I like that. It's pretty, the damping, it's like higher damping. This, I don't think they have any oil in the shock, so it's really bouncy. And also travel, almost there's no travel. Do you feel that? But this has much more travel in the suspension. Please leave a comment below. Do you like the FJ better, or do you like the Land Rover better? All right, now I lined up their wheelbase so we can compare the length of the vehicle. All right, I believe the Discovery could be slightly longer. Right, now the back end is all lined up. If we look at the bumpers, line up the bumpers. Okay, I think the back wheels are almost lined up, and in that case the wheelbase are almost the same, but you can tell from the front end, and there could be like 1 inch or less than 1 inch longer. Look at the width, and that's pretty similar to each other. All right, but here's the most important thing I want to share with you. And this guy, it's really smooth. It's buttery smooth. I'm talking about the drivetrain here. Let's just take a look. See how easy it moves and so quiet. All right, it's not the same on the FJ. All right, gonna give it a try here. The FJ It feels like there's a binding somewhere. So there's a little bit play. If I want to push, I have to push really hard. Then once you pass that initial resistance, and it will roll easier. But compare the noise, man. This is how loud FJ will run. Let's listen to this guy. And it's so easy to move around. So this is actually one of the biggest reasons I got this Land Rover version of FMS. And it's so quiet. And I would do a testing later to show you how quiet it is when it's running. And one of the benefits of having a quiet RC truck is so I can bring it to a hiking trail and without disturbing, the other people, other hikers. And when you're on a hiking trail, all you need is you want to enjoy that quietness in the wood, listen to the bird chirping, and you don't want to hear that gear running or the motor whining noise. And so this thing runs so smooth, and it will give me a piece of quiet space, and also other hikers, other people around me won't mind I have a big RC truck on a regular hiking trail. Testing time. Land Rover. FJ. Can you tell the difference? The servo on the FJ is probably 5 times louder than this guy. Let's try the moving. So quiet. Let's try FJ. Can you tell the difference? The winding noise, the gears mashing from the FJ is much louder. All right, try one more time. FJ. Oh gosh, it's so loud. It's unbearable. After the comparison, now I have the baseline. The noise level of that guy is crazy. Leave the comments below if you know the ways I can upgrade this guy to make this guy quieter, please. I love the design of this guy. It's so detailed. All the doors can open. The interiors are just amazing. But it's just super loud. I think when they build this, they put all the money and design efforts on the body, and they chip out on the chassis to keep the price low. Now, when they design this guy, they put most of the money and design to the chassis and the transmission and powertrain, and so they are kind of cheaper on the body and interior. None of the doors can open. The interior are compared to this guy, are less detailed. But man, overall, this is gonna be my trail crane. I would take this to the trail any day. This is gonna be my shelf crane. I love to just look at it. Use this as a piece of my decoration in a man cave. It's beautiful. It's so nice to own such a detailed piece of history. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Your support will make me creating more videos in the future. Thank you so much. Wow, super quiet. First round, dude. This is amazing. Let's get into here. Fuck off. First, oh. Exciting day. It's beautiful today. Taking this Discovery out for the first test. Wow. First impression, 1 minute on ground, it is buttery, smooth, and quiet. Holy moly, look at this. Oh gosh, this is too hard. That's a pretty damn difficult trial. Let's go easy. Yeah. Wow. This is how quiet it is. Hey guys, if you have made this far into this video, please like and subscribe. All right, I don't know which gear we are. Let's try a different gear. Whoa, this is really fast. Okay. The fast gear is pretty fast. Let's try the slow control. Oh man, the slow speed control is pretty good. Yes. Beautiful. This is nice. Man, this thing is super quiet. That's my first comment. I can't see more on that. Yeah, do you hear that? I think there's something's rubbing. Maybe the tire is rubbing the body or something. Let's try this. Do you hear the scrap? I think this is position. Now the truck is tilted this way. Something's going on here. Yeah. It's rubbing. Rubbing here. Okay, I can. Yep. Wow. Look at this angle, dude. If my FJ is at this angle, it will be like it will turn over. It will roll over by itself because it's top heavy. Look at this guy. Holy moly. Holy moly, look at this position. Oh my God. That's impressive. There's 2 rocks. Let's see here. Do some small rock climbing. Piece of cake. This truck is super quiet and smooth. This is exactly the reason I bought it. Because I really want to take this to a hiking trail. I want it to be quiet. And it delivered. If you're looking for something that's quiet and smooth out of the box, this is your choice. Go for it. You can't go wrong with it. It's so capable. The low center of gravity just make it unlikely to tip over like the FJ40. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be awesome. See you next time.